Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I've been juggling through work and studies together. It's a whole new world once you step into work learning program. If you're planning to join, you'll get to know what I meant very soon enough. So today let's talk about something that's been popping up in my DMs and comments a lot. First thing, is pre-skilling training very hard? Second thing, how do I crack it? And coming to third, what if I mess up? You know what? Let's breathe. I've been there too, nervous, overthinking, doubting myself. But you know what? It's totally normal. You've got this, okay? Pre-skilling is like a warm-up before the real game. So the company provides you the necessary training for the role you'll be working on. You learn the basics, get familiar with tools, and prepare for the assessments. It's not about being perfect. It's about the willingness that you show to learn. Is it hard? Honestly, it depends on how you approach it. If you're consistent and attend the sessions and practice a little every day, you'll be fine. You don't need to know everything from day one onwards. The company will train you. They want you to succeed, okay? But yes, you need to put in an effort. Googling answers might help you once or twice, but you cannot rely on it every time. Instead, focus on understanding the topics. You'll be way more confident during your assessments. Okay? So, what will you be learning? Now that's a tricky part. I don't remember all the topics clearly, but as they vary depending on your domain that you're selected to. So you might be aligned, for example, data center, ITIL, or other areas. So the content might be different, but generally you can expect something like basic aptitude or communication skills or domain specific fundamentals like learning tools, understanding the technology and stuff. So, and don't worry if you don't know this yet, that's what this training are for. So what is my advice, right? Don't panic because you're not alone. Your brother is here. I've been on the same path. Okay. So I know most of the things and maybe not too, but I'll help you clear all your doubts on the way. Second thing, try to attend every class. I know it's boring and it's tiring to sit all day in front of a video lecture and understanding things, but man, you have to put in the efforts to be at a place, right? Practice a little every day. You know, every small thing that you learn, right? It adds up. At the end of the day, you come to know that you're working on a project and you were taught this in the training itself, and now you have to learn it again. So instead, just learn it during the pre-skilling training itself. Don't take it till the end of the day where you be questioned that what did you learn in your training. Instead, learn it at the first itself. Ask questions. You know, you guys who don't ask questions, that's a shame, right? Ask the proctor who's teaching you. That's when you start learning. So keep asking questions. Like just you do in the comments, right? You keep asking me questions, so many questions, repeated questions. Just keep asking. That's how I started making this video, right? Do that. And the final thing, believe in yourself, because doubting yourself doesn't really take anywhere. If I started doubting myself, I wouldn't be making this video for you guys. So why am I sharing all this? Have you ever wondered? You know, back then, I didn't have anyone to guide me after my graduation. Even I was going through the same thing what you guys are going through now. I was confused, stressed, and constantly checking my emails if I got any update from the company. So I thought, why not be the guide for someone else, right? I'm not a coordinator or a HR or nothing. I'm just a student or a candidate just like you who's been in the same path. I'm in my third year right now. Okay. So if you have doubts, drop them in the comments. I'll help however I can. Pre-skilling is just the beginning. It's your chance to show that you're willing to learn and ready to grow. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be in the present, curious to learn, and give your best. So that's it for today's video. If you want me to make videos on other topics, do let me know. I'm here for you. See you on the next one. Stay chill, stay confident, and keep learning. Also, I was wondering if I should do a YouTube live video so you guys can post your questions in the comment section. Do let me know if you want one. So we'll connect once in live. What do you say? Drop in the comments. Bye bye.